Razzles, those are called. I know! Armand, what else is in there? How did Santa know about those?
I don't know these guys. What are these?
They're lightsabers.
Open your stocking, Armand.
Armand, what else is in there? Take a look. Pull something out.
Put your hand in there, Armand.
Why did Santa give you batteries?
I don't know.
What is it, Armand?
It's a movie.
Inside. It's a movie about helicopters.
I don't have a movie.
Well, sometimes Santa doesn't give you guys a few things. It's a little different. He doesn't have a journal in here. Look at that.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
Let me see, Armand. What you got? Helicopters? Yeah?
Hey, what else is in here, honey?
Whoa! Great! Red car!
Whoa! Probably not working right now.
Why?
Take it out first.
It's my turn.
Do you like